The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell by the title and as you guys can see, I have some new hair installed and I'm here to tell you all about it. I'm really excited about this video. But before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys do like hair videos, because I do a lot of different things on my channel, mostly fashion. But if you guys enjoy hair videos, I can continue to create them. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you do like hair videos, so that will let me know that I can keep doing more and that you guys are interested. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this hair, or if you have any other questions or concerns that are not answered in this video. But as always, be sure to check the description box before you head to the comment section, because I do try to include as much information about all of the hair and give you guys like a review of everything that I said in the video, as well as the specific specs and the link to the hair. So without further ado, let's just get started. This hair is a lace front wig. This is from Unice hair. So this is what the box looks like. It just is this white box. It is cardboard, but it's like really smooth and it's really good quality. It also came in good condition. The front of the box has their social medias and their like name on everything, and then the sides are plain, and then the back just has some hair care tips and other information. So I really like when companies do pay attention to their packaging and they have something that's specific to their brand. So I personally like that. I also like that it was a sturdy cardboard box, so that way the hair isn't like smashed or anything. The hair did come in a plastic bag. I'm pretty sure I threw it out, or it's like somewhere in my room. But it had a hairnet around it, it had paper inside, and there was like a plastic bag around it. So yeah, I'm not sure what the exact specs of this hair are. I'm pretty sure it is body wave. And I'll put on the screen, but it'll also be in the description box, the length of the hair. And as I mentioned, this is a lace front wig. So I do want to say that I did quick install this, meaning I literally just put some got-to-be glue just around my hairline from ear to ear, and I only put one layer. If you're actually installing it, you're supposed to put like 2 to 3 and take your time actually letting it dry and everything like that. But I did just quickly install this and I didn't do anything to the hair. So I wasn't actually gonna initially do my review and like initial video on the hair today. I was gonna actually properly install it and like, I guess, style it better. But being that I did just literally plop it on my head and just put the glue just to hold it down, or the gel to hold it down, and the fact that it actually looks really good, I did want to come on here and show you guys that this wig is amazing straight out of the box. If you are someone who doesn't really do your hair at home, or you're not really comfortable maybe with wigs or frontals or plucking, styling, all those things, I definitely think this wig is amazing for you. I was actually really surprised. As you guys can see, the front of this hair, I have no hair left out. I have literally just this little piece, which is not blended, which is my widow's peak. I always leave that out just because I do have a widow's peak, and I find that if I don't leave it out, it looks a lot more wiggy. So I just left that out, but all of this is literally the wig, and I didn't do anything. Like I said, I just literally glued it down with some got-to-be glue gel. I did put a tiny bit of powder just in the part right here, and that was it. And I also just took a flat iron and just went from like here to here just to like kind of help this lay down, and that is all I did. This wave and texture is exactly how the hair came, and is exactly how it looks in its natural state. And yeah, so I did want to come on. I'm probably gonna do an either update or styling video, or style this a little more myself, but I did want to come on and show you guys that straight out of the box, this is super, like, this is really good. It's not like an amazing frontal and like, you know, super plucked, anything like that, but you definitely can wear this out straight out of the box and you're good to go, which is why I personally loved it and wanted to come on here and show you guys this hair today. Also, it is really soft and you can run your fingers through it. The only thing I will say is that even though it looks really full, the hair isn't extremely thick. Like when you put it in a ponytail, if you guys were to see me grab the hair, it's not that thick. But I don't really mind that because one, it's really light on your head and it's really comfortable, but also it looks really full. So I don't really mind it. I just wanted to mention that to you guys. But like I mentioned, this is a lace front wig, so it's not a full lace. There are tracks in the back, so you're not able to part it in the back or else you'd see them. But there is lace from ear to ear. And as you guys can see, the parting space on the frontal though is really tight, so if you did want to make it look a little more natural, you can go in and pluck, but in the center there's probably about 3 inches, maybe 4, and then as you get here you see there's a little bit less. It's probably like 2.5, as you guys can see. So this is the frontal, and then this is where like the tracks start. But yeah, I really like this hair so far. It is really good quality and it feels really nice. If I keep looking over there, it's because I'm in my bathroom and the mirror in my bathroom is right behind the camera, so that's why I'm looking over there. But yeah, I don't really have too much to say. Just overall, the hair is overall really good. There's no shedding, no tangling, feels really good, it looks really good. So all of that is good. In terms of the wig and cap construction, it's really good. There are combs. There's a comb in the back. I don't know if there's combs in the center and the front because I never use them. But there is a comb in the back, so I'm assuming there's at least probably combs on the sides. I think I can feel them. Yeah, I think there's combs. Yeah, so there's combs on the sides. I don't know if there's one in the center. And there are adjustable straps, so that is really good. I do think that if you wanted to, being that I literally just put this on my head, you could wear this without glue. Got2b glue isn't actually glue, it's just gel that's really strong, and when it dries down it acts like glue and gets really tacky. So if you guys aren't familiar, you guys can look up videos on YouTube, or maybe I'll link some down below if I find any that I think are really easy and helpful on how to install your wigs with Got2b glue. It's honestly like the safest method. It comes off with water. The only thing is if you sweat and if you're in the rain, it'll come off because it comes off with water. But being that it's winter time now, I feel like it's pretty safe and it's really good for someone like me who switches my wigs up all the time. So yeah, this is the hair that I actually had in my last Halloween tutorial. If you guys are wondering, I'll also have that link down below. I have some Halloween tutorials that I posted, so I'll have those linked down below. I'm getting out of breath because I'm talking so fast, I don't know why. But yeah guys, I really like this hair. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys want me to do a update. This is what it looks like from the back. And there's like movement to the hair. It's really nice, and it is really long. I feel like this hair is actually only like 22 inches or 24, and it is really long. I'm wearing a crop top and sweatpants, but it comes down to about my belly button. So yeah, I will put on the screen how long it is, but I believe if it's 22 inches, this is pretty long for it. But if it's 24, then that's about standard. But yeah, I really like this hair. Also, if you guys are interested in this makeup look, this is the look that I did in my last Halloween video as well. So I'll also have that link down below if you guys want to see. And yeah guys, all of the information and my thoughts on the wig will be in the description box as well as all of the specs on the wig. And if you guys are wondering, this shirt is from Zaful and my earring is from En Route Jewelry, so I'll also have that link down below. I think that's about it. Overall, I love this hair. I literally have no complaints. The only thing I mentioned is that it isn't super thick, and usually that's something that kind of bothers me, but I don't think it's like too thin. Like, it's just very natural, and again, I just can't believe that it's straight out of the pack and it looks like this, and I didn't have to pluck or do anything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I think that is it for this video. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. And if you guys want to stay connected even more, you guys can follow me over on my Instagram, which I'll have linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.